Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to equalize 808s in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by the main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started with finding all the instruments that you can play. You can open up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to equalize 808s in your GarageBand project. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up any of the options right here. You can open up the instruments or just the audio recorder. It all works the same as going to open up the same menu. So you'll be greeted by the recording menu right here where you can see the big red circle at the top of the screen. That's going to enable us to get started recording. And as you can see, if we go ahead and right here in the upper left corner click on the mixing menu after we have finished the recordings, we'll be able to find all the recordings that we have right here. As you can see, so here are my tracks. I have my audio recorder, I have a grand piano I have played, and now let's go ahead and see how you mix and equalize those 808. So basically guys, if you want to get the 808 effect, what you want to do is go right here into the sliders option. So after clicking on the sliders, it's going to open up the track settings right here, and if you scroll down under track settings, you'll find an option that says plugins and equalizer. So you want to go and select plugins and equalizer, and now plugins and equalizer is going to open up this new menu where you can find the equalizer options. As you can see, you will have your visual equalizer. So basically guys, you want to use your visual equalizer right here to get your desired 808 effect edited to your liking until you get your desired effect. After that, just click done and it's going to be applied to your track. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.